With so many brands claiming to give you the best woodworking tools, it's hard to know which ones truly deliver. But Kreg has earned its place as one of the most trusted names among woodworkers. That's why in this video, we're bringing you some of the newest Kreg tools that can help you level up your every project. At first, we have the Corner Routing Guide Set. If you've ever wanted to add clean, decorative corners to your projects without the stress of freehand routing, this routing guide set is exactly what you need. This tool lets you create perfect corner profiles in 3 simple steps. Pick the profile you like, attach it, adjust the edge stop posts to fit your material, and start routing. That's it. No second-guessing your cuts, no uneven corners. It's compatible with trim routers, handheld routers, and router tables, making it a flexible tool you can rely on for frames, tabletops, and detailed trim work when you want that professional finish without hassle. When lining up cabinet face frames, you don't want to fight with misalignments or risk damaging the wood. That's where the Kreg Cabinet Face Frame Clamp comes in handy. This clamp features thick protective pads that keep your surfaces safe while holding everything in perfect alignment. It even includes an integrated pilot hole drill guide, so you can drill and attach pieces without moving your clamp around. With its sturdy, all-metal build, this clamp is made to last, helping you align and join face frames precisely, both vertically and horizontally. It's the tool that takes the frustration out of cabinet assembly, giving you clean, accurate results every time. For anyone who has avoided traditional mortise and tenon joinery because it felt too complex, the Kreg MortiseMate changes the game completely. This tool allows you to create loose tenon joints using just your drill, blending the accuracy of a router with the ease of drilling. The Kreg MortiseMate's auto-indexing step-down mechanism lowers your cutter by 1/16 of an inch with each pass automatically, ensuring consistent results without extra setup. Micro-adjustment screws let you dial in the exact fit you want, while the integrated mini work surface makes clamping straightforward, whether you're working at your bench or on site. It's a powerful solution for anyone looking to add hidden joints to their projects without the traditional learning curve, helping you achieve strength and precision effortlessly. Space is precious in any workshop, and the Kreg portable work surface helps you get the most out of every inch. This compact but sturdy work surface is made from ultra-flat MDF, providing a reliable workspace for woodworking, crafting, or any DIY project you have in mind. The GripMax anti-slip cords keep your material stable while you work on intricate details, and the precision-machined 3/4-inch dog holes let you secure your work easily. 4-inch leveling feet give you clearance for clamping and cutting without wobble. An integrated carry handle doubles as a screw holder, making it easy to move around your shop, garage, or even your living room for small builds or repairs without sacrificing stability or control. When installing cabinet knobs and pulls, consistent placement makes all the difference in giving your kitchen or furniture a polished look, and that's exactly what the Kreg Cabinet Hardware Jig Pro delivers. This jig helps you position hardware with professional-grade accuracy, using built-in measuring scales and a movable end stop for precise spacing. It includes hardened steel drill guides that lock into place for straight, repeatable holes, taking the stress out of drilling into your cabinet doors and drawers. Supporting hardware from 1 3/4 inches up to 12 inches center to center, this jig adapts to nearly any style of knob or pull, helping you complete your installations confidently while saving time and reducing errors. A reliable clamp can save a project, and the Kreg VersaGrip clamps bring fast, flexible clamping to your shop. These clamps have an adaptable head that you can reposition along the bar or reverse, allowing you to handle a wide range of clamping needs. Soft, removable pads protect your work surfaces, and the handle's easy-release trigger lets you unclamp quickly when repositioning. These clamps come with a pocket hole jig adapter, pairing easily with Kreg 300 series and XL pocket hole jigs, which expands their usefulness in joinery projects. Available in lengths from 6 inches to 36 inches, VersaGrip clamps are a practical choice for any woodworker looking to simplify clamping while keeping a secure hold during assembly or glue-ups. Aligning and attaching drawer fronts often requires 3 hands, but with the Kreg drawer front mounting system, you can handle the job with confidence and ease. This system holds the drawer front securely in place while you adjust and fasten it, eliminating the awkward struggle of trying to keep everything aligned while driving screws. The thick steel design features large clamp pads, GripMax anti-slip surfaces, and ribbed corners to minimize flex, giving you stability and control. It's a straightforward solution that simplifies drawer installation, ensuring your drawer fronts are straight, even, and professionally aligned every time you mount them. Finding studs doesn't need to involve guesswork or complicated gadgets. The Kreg Magnetic Stud Finder offers a quick, reliable way to locate wood and metal studs in your walls using strong rare earth magnets. A high-vis bubble level helps you mark level lines, while the precision marking notch allows you to make accurate reference points for hanging shelves, cabinets, or heavy decor. This tool is lightweight and compact, fitting easily into your pocket or tool belt, so it's always ready to help you hit the mark quickly on any project where accurate stud finding is essential. Mounting cabinet doors can be a tedious process, but the Kreg cabinet door mounting jig makes it much simpler. Acting as a steady extra hand, this jig holds your cabinet door securely while you align and fasten hinges, allowing you to work confidently and precisely without fumbling to hold the door in place. The thick steel design features large clamp pads, GripMax anti-slip surfaces, and ribbed corners to minimize flex, giving you stability and control. It's a straightforward solution that simplifies drawer installation, ensuring your drawer fronts are straight, even, and professionally aligned every time you mount them. Wrapping up with the Kreg 90-degree pocket hole driver. Tight spaces can often prevent you from using your drill where you need it most, but this tool lets you reach into those tight spots effortlessly. This compact attachment turns your drill into a 90-degree driver, making it possible to drive screws inside cabinets, under tables, or in other hard-to-reach places. Just insert the hex shank into your drill, tighten it down, and you're ready to go. It comes with a 3-inch square drive bit that locks in place securely and is impact rated for use with an impact driver, making it a tough, versatile addition to your toolbox whenever you need precision fastening in tight spots. That's our rundown of the slickest new Kreg tools for woodworking. Got a favorite? Drop a comment, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell to catch more tool reviews. See you on the next job.